tech stack that we are going to use in order to build our AI voice agent. So let us discuss it. First and foremost, we will need a voice AI platform or voice provider, and that's why we are going to use the best platform available out there in the market named Retail AI. Retail AI is a place where we can build, test, launch and deploy our AI voice agent within couple of minutes without you having to write a single line of code. And that's why we are going to use Retail AI. To be honest, we are using Retail AI inside our agency and to serve all of our clients. We have tested all the other voice agent platform available out there, but Retail AI conquers the crown. I have good news for you. In order to test and try Retail AI, you will be able to get 60 minutes of free access if you sign up with this link. Yes, this is my affiliate link, but it's win-win situation. You will get 60 minutes of free access to test, try and deploy an AI voice agent using Retail AI, and I will get a kickback. Next, we are going to use make.com and Go High Level. If you don't know both of these platforms, make.com is no-code, low-code platform where we can build our automation. For example, if you are using Google Sheet or Airtable and you want to import all of those contact lists into Retail AI, we can use make.com. We will cover about make.com and Go High Level later on in the course. But don't worry, you will be able to get free make.com and Go High Level subscription, which is worth around $20 and $297. Again, if you sign up with my affiliate link. So this is the Google Doc that will be available in the resource section. So download that and sign up with this link. You will be able to see if you sign up, you will get 60 minutes free so that you can test and try Retail AI. Similar for make.com. Get your 1 month of Pro plan for free. Sign up now. Similar for Go High Level. 14-day free trial, and you can get another 14-day free trial. I will show you how you can get that later in the course. But coming back to the main point, we need to understand the logic or the fundamental first. By taking this diagram as an example, you will be easily able to understand how does this AI voice agent actually work and how does Retail AI works in the backend system. First and foremost thing is we need a transcriber or speech to text model. For instance, when someone is speaking on the call, that file will be in the audio format, right? So we need to convert that audio file into text in order to feed into our LLM or our large language model. So that's why we are using speech to text. So whenever I am speaking, I want to convert my audio into text file or I want to transcribe it. That's why we are using transcriber. Now when the transcriber has converted into binary or text file, which is 0 and 1, we will feed that file into LLM or large language model. For example, by OpenAI or Anthropic Claude. So we will feed that information and our LLM will generate the response from that audio file. So it will convert it to the response. Now again, we need to convert the text file into voice. Alright, so that's why we are using the voice or for example 11 Labs, PlayHD or OpenAI. So voice or text to speech model will convert our text file into voice so that whenever our AI voice agent will be speaking back to the user or our customer, it will convert it into the voice and our user or our customer will be able to hear that. That's how AI voice agent work. I hope you understand it. Again, I will repeat, when someone is speaking on the phone, it will be in the audio file. We need to convert that into text file in order to give it to our LLM or large language model. Then our large language model will convert into a response. Again, the response will be in the text file. We need to convert back into the voice. That's where we can use 11 Labs, OpenAI, PlayHD to convert our text response into voice again. Now if you are going to build this system on your own, it will take you entire lifetime, and that's why we are going to use Retail AI. Retail pulls all of these pieces together, ensuring you get a smooth and responsive conversation. Not to forget about providing all of the custom functions, variables and everything. Due to this fact, we are going to use Retail AI throughout this course. Now let us cover the crucial part or the sweet part, which is how much money you will have to pay per minute. So you will be able to see Retail AI has a calculator already built in. You can estimate your costing very easily by minutes of calls you can make, which LLM agent do you want to use, which voice agent or voice engine you are using, and telephony. Don't worry, we are going to cover every single thing in later sections. But as of now, let us give it a bird's eye view.